Samantha was a bright-eyed elementary school student who had just graduated from high school. She was thrilled to be done with her studies and was eager to start her new life in the working world. Samantha had been applying for jobs for weeks, and finally, she received a call from a local restaurant. "Hello, Samantha, this is the manager at the local restaurant. We've received your application, and we would like to invite you for an interview tomorrow at 2 p.m. Are you available?" Samantha was over the moon. She had always dreamed of working in a restaurant, and now she had her chance. She thanked the manager and said that she would be there on time. The next day, Samantha woke up early, brushed her teeth, and put on her best dress. She wanted to make a good first impression. Samantha's mother wished her good luck and gave her a kiss on the cheek. Samantha walked to the restaurant, which was only a few blocks away. When Samantha arrived, she asked for the manager, and the hostess led her to the back of the restaurant. The manager greeted Samantha with a smile and asked her to sit down. Samantha felt nervous, but she took a deep breath and smiled back. The manager started to ask Samantha some questions. "Why do you want to work in a restaurant?" he asked. Samantha thought about it for a moment and then said, "I love to meet new people, and I enjoy working with food. I think that this job would be a perfect fit for me." The manager was impressed with Samantha's answer and continued to ask her more questions. Samantha tried her best to answer each question confidently and honestly. After the interview, the manager thanked Samantha for coming and said that he would be in touch soon. Samantha felt relieved and proud of herself. She had completed her first job interview, and she had done her best. A few days later, Samantha received a call from the manager. He told her that she had been selected for the job, and she could start the following week. Samantha was overjoyed and thanked the manager. Samantha's first job interview was a success, and she was excited to start her new job. She had learned that with hard work and determination, she could achieve her dreams.